Hello, everyone. This is Matt with Prepare Now, and today's topic is solar panels and rare earth metals. If you've not been living under a rock lately, tariffs have been affecting multiple avenues, especially rare earth metals, which are strictly majority made in China with high tariffs. Now, as the tariffs go through the courts and whether they're legal and whatnot, companies are still clamping down, especially places like Cambodia, Thailand, the Far East. This is where all the solar cells come from. Tariffs range from 15% all the way up to 46% and constantly are changing. The big fact of this story is that if you're on the edge about getting a solar panel system, I would go ahead and look at it really hard. There's not too many things out there that can give us renewable energy that's silent, that's quiet, that has approximately 30 to 35-year lifespan, and can be set up relatively quick. All I see is prices going higher and higher, and especially with things like solar, lithium batteries in our solar generators, and everything else that's made in China or Cambodia or Thailand, you name it, you're just going to see 20, 30, 40% increases over the next year. Sadly, these things are just going to keep going and going up until they become unmarketable or unable to be reached by normal consumers. But we have a time. There's still a lot of stockpile left. Right now, most people have stopped contracts for new solar components. For the meanwhile, till the tariffs have been sorted out, I believe it's July 6th or 9th, don't quote me, is when the next line of tariffs are supposed to kick back in. And a lot of the big companies are holding off on any big purchases until these things are kind of sorted out. So I would strictly kind of look at companies like EcoFlow, Revergy, you name it, and see what you could do. If you're really on the fence, now I'm not saying go into debt and whatnot to get a solar panel or whatnot, but if you have been seriously looking and you don't have a system in place, especially with the summer coming and the storm systems have been popping up, power outages are a very real thing. And so I would strictly kind of really look into whether that's something you need to be, maybe putting some money towards. Again, this is just information to kind of share. But solar is probably one of our biggest assets as people that prepare, because we can get off the grid. Now, one way they can stop that is make solar outside of our reach. And whether it be through tariffs or other things, if they make them so a solar panel that was $100 now costs $300-400, you can see where that can go. Anyways, again, thank you for listening. If you haven't, please subscribe down below. Any comments, please. I love seeing the comments. But other than that, you have a great day and prepare now.